So, welcome to Simple Life Portugal, I guess. I'm Dan. I'm setting up a homestead from scratch, meaning building the house behind me, woodshed, garden, and whatnot. So, everything from scratch. However, this is going to be a bit different. I have a bit of a backlog of Vevor products that I need to review. However, I recently cut off the tip of my finger. So, actually, a cat. So, I'm gonna try to get this reviewing going on the Vevor products, which I'm gonna do with, start with this. This is the chainsaw sharpener. That was hard to say. And I'm gonna see if I can do it basically with one hand. Yeah, that's it. So let's get going. So I think we can call that a success actually. Even though I kind of took help with this hand, it went pretty well actually. And this is what you get in the package of the Vevor's chainsaw sharpener. That's a really hard thing to say. Just a collecting bag to put everything in, the frame itself, which you may or may not see, but these two holes here just put exactly the right angle you need to sharpen the teeth at for the left and the right side. And then you have basically two sizes, one a bit smaller and one a bit bigger. And three of these sizes, well, three of these ones, the big size, the small size and the big size, you can also put on a hand crank if you want, if you're in the forest, I guess, or don't have access to a power drill. And you get all the tools to put the crank on there, and then some sort of brush to, I guess, to take away the dust from the chain. And it works really good actually. It was a bit fiddly in the beginning to understand, and it's probably mostly because I did my chain by hand, which means the teeth are not the same thickness, so to speak. So when I did the left side, I had to adjust the stopping a bit different from when I did the right side. But that's kind of even itself out, I guess, the more I'm using it. So all in all, I think it's a really good product, and I'm most definitely gonna start using that instead of filing it by hand, which I don't have here. Filing it by hand, it's a bit easier with just a power drill, attach the thing on the file, and then press the button. That's it. And it took, I would guess, no more than 2-3 minutes to do the chain. And this is only the second time I'm trying this. The first time I was just trying it out a bit. So all in all, a really good product. One thing I can say about Vevor stuff though, their manuals that are sent with the stuff so far has been completely crap. I recommend to check the online version of the product, which can have an explanation as well. And there they have a bit more close-up pictures and stuff, because the paper copy or instructions you get so far with the product has been very small to read, and it's pretty bad translated into English actually. But all in all of the instructions are always online on the stuff so far that we have got from Vevor. So I have to say I'm pretty happy with this product. So let's see how long it lasts. But overall, I would use it again for sure.